The Kennet and Lambourne catchment is characterised by rolling hills and chalk downlands. Consequently, there are a number of farm tracks and roads which lead off those downs down towards the river valleys. They have the potential to take with them silt and sediments from those fields and into the river, which can cause environmental problems. We're running a series of farm track management demonstrations. The idea being is to assist farmers with maintenance of their tracks and also to raise awareness of where these tracks can take nutrients and material from the fields directly into watercourses. The track we're dealing with at the moment is behind us and leads straight down into the Kennet River SSSI. What we're doing in this demonstration is to put in a series of grips, soakaways and reprofiling of the farm track, the purpose of which is to manage the water on the track so it doesn't cause problems for the environment but also produces a good, decent track for farm machinery throughout all weather types. What we're going to be doing is putting in a series of demonstrations to show the benefits and the techniques that you need to put in to manage the track. At the top of the track we have water collection from the fields, so we need to see how we can actually reduce the speed, take that water away. What we'll be doing is putting in pipe work so it will take that water from the track through the banks and into the nearby woods and fields, thereby reducing that water volume onto the track and its energy, which can actually cause track erosion. This is important for farmers because if a track becomes too rutted, then access becomes difficult. What we're trying to encourage is that water is taken away from the most vulnerable areas, so nutrients are allowed to stay in position and that the water is allowed to percolate through the soil, so sediments will actually not be carried away and down into the river, causing problems for the environment. Over the past 30 years, rainfall data has showed that we are getting much more rain in the autumn, but it's also becoming in shorter number of days, therefore we're getting much more intense rainstorms. This is going to have an impact on farmers. They'll need to think about this and how they manage their fields. More intense rainstorms mean we get slaking of the surface soils, we get compaction, and potentially you get better chances of runoff occurring. Where catchment sensitive farming can help is to assist the farmer look at soil management. This can benefit both his bottom line and also the environment by preventing materials from the field washing off into the rivers.